In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Canva design not opening. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Canva relies heavily on cloud-based syncing, so weak or unstable connection can prevent designs from loading properly. Next up, check the server status of Canva. Navigate to this website, canvastatus.com. If Canva is experiencing technical issues, you may simply need to wait until their team resolves the problem. If Canva services are running normally, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Click on three dots, navigate to the option settings. Head over to the option privacy and security. Now click on the option site settings. Click on view permission and site data source. Now here, search for Canva. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it. Confirm it. With these, your problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to do is check if you have enabled any extension. Go to this extensions option. If you have enabled ad blocker, privacy tools, or script blocking extension, you can disable it. Likewise, make sure you are using the latest version of your browser. You can check that. Head back. Now click on the option about Chrome. Check for updates. If any updates are available, just update it. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, you can try opening a different Canva design. Or you can use other browsers such as Edge, Firefox, and Safari. So that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.